Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're covering professional networking, meeting people at conferences, industry events, and business gatherings. Good networking can transform your career, and it all starts with the right vocabulary and approach. Your elevator pitch is a short, compelling description of who you are and what you do, short enough to deliver in the time it takes to ride an elevator. For example, I'm a software developer specializing in mobile applications for the healthcare industry. Or, I run a small consultancy helping mid-sized businesses improve their digital marketing. A good elevator pitch is clear, specific, and memorable. When approaching someone new, keep your opening natural and warm. You might say, "Hi, I'm Alex. I work in finance, mostly on the investment side. What brings you here today?" Or, "I loved your presentation. The point about customer data was really insightful." Genuine compliments and curious questions are always a good start. At events, look for opportunities to make connections between people you know. You might say, "Have you met James? He works in exactly the same area as you. I think you'd have a lot to talk about." This kind of facilitation is appreciated and remembered. After meeting someone, follow up quickly, ideally the same day. Send a short message on LinkedIn or by email. "Great to meet you today. I really enjoyed our conversation about AI and recruitment. I'd love to continue the discussion over a call." Following up shows professionalism and genuine interest. The most important mindset for networking is genuine curiosity. People can tell when you're only interested in what you can get from them. Ask real questions, listen properly, and look for ways to be useful to others. Today, we covered elevator pitches, opening conversations, facilitating connections, and following up. Networking is a long game. Invest in it consistently. See you next time.